Hello everyone and welcome back. Today we're going to see how to increase blood flow to penile tissue. Firstly, eat a healthy, circulation-boosting diet. Fruits and vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, healthy fats, and dark chocolate. Avoid excess sugar, processed foods, and high-sodium meals which can stiffen the arteries and restrict the blood flow. Secondly, stay hydrated throughout the day. Hydration is often overlooked, but it's essential for maintaining healthy blood volume and viscosity. Thirdly, maintain a healthy weight. Excess weight, particularly belly fat, is linked to poor blood flow and narrowed arteries, lower testosterone levels, and increased inflammation and insulin resistance, which both contribute to ED. Losing even 5 to 10% of your body weight can dramatically improve blood vessel health and enhance erectile function. Combine moderate intensity cardio with resistance training for best results. Also, exercise increases nitric oxide levels and improves cardiovascular efficiency, both of which are essential for strong erections. And finally, quit smoking and limit alcohol. Nicotine constricts blood vessels and directly impairs penile blood flow. Long-term smoking damages arteries and accelerates plaque buildup. Only stress increases cortisol levels, which can reduce testosterone and disrupt nitric oxide production. Lack of sleep and also interferes with hormone balance and vascular repair. Try deep breathing, mindfulness, and yoga, prioritizing 7 to 9 hours of quality of sleep each night. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.